Hello guys and welcome to my channel. I'm Omar Hamid, and in this video I will show you how you can save multiple Excel sheets in one PDF file. So let's see how we can do it. Here I am in Excel and I have 3 sheets which I want to save them as one PDF file. So first, if I save it as a PDF like this and I don't change anything and press save, I will only get the sheet that I was on, but I will not get the other sheets. So as you can see here, I only got sheet number 1. But in order to get the 3 sheets in the PDF file, I need to do an extra thing. So I will go back to the Excel, save as, I will choose PDF, then here in the options I will select entire workbook instead of active sheets. And now if I press OK, I call it Omar Hamid Shop 1 and save it, you will see that I will get the 3 sheets in my PDF file here. Now you can easily include more than one Excel sheet in a PDF file. Like and share this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to stay tuned when I post new videos.